Welcome to the Zaxis training series. My name is Doug Harding. I'm the Director of Technical Support. What we'd like to do today is offer some training and some helpful hints on how to run our testers, how to set them up, how to get the most of them. Today's training, we're going to focus on assembly verification using pressure decay or vacuum decay testing. We'll be showing various examples with the Z-Series tester, our latest testers that we're shipping. Leak testing is a way to verify that an assembly has been put together correctly. A product has been engineered, it's been designed, and now it's in the assembly phase where we're bringing things together. Well, we need to prove that bond. Well, why would we need to prove that bond? There are two main cases really, and that's we either need to keep a fluid in something or we need to keep a fluid from getting into something by keeping it out. So either one of these things, we're keeping the fluid inside or keeping the fluid from getting inside. We can do this with a process called pressure decay. With every tester that we deliver, you'll get what's called a quick start guide. The quick start guide is going to show all of the connections necessary on the back of the tester and all the connections on the front that are going to be going to your test item. Inside will be instructions telling you the size of the ports, where air needs to be placed. We ask that you supply clean, dry air to the system, and standard wall power will suffice. The unit comes with a power supply that plugs directly into standard power. It can be used anywhere in the world and plugs directly into the unit. With those two things, clean, dry air and standard wall power, this unit can operate. So what you'll see are the connections on the rear of this unit. You can see we have air process connections on one side and other connections as in power entry. We have things like Ethernet and USB for communications. Any controls necessary would be on the quick start guide to allow you to see what your particular unit has. If this paper gets lost in shipping or doesn't get directed all the way to the end customer, then you can just give us a call and we can send you a new copy based on the serial number of your unit.